was a little kid, the world was mine, and the world was at my feet. Sleepy cicadas and very special smell. Friends I've never seen from then, and old church bell. I remember how my first dog died. At that windy night I was crying all the time. I'm realizing world's not what it seems. Now I'm scared, where are my dreams? Oh, 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 I remember when I was a little kid. If somebody was wrong, I could just beat him. Sitting on the trees, I could almost reach the sky. I dreamt about the wings to perform ideal flight. I remember how I almost drowned. My parents were ashamed, I was their only one. I'm realizing life's not what it seems.